Hello, my name is Bill Peters. I'm the engineering instructor here with the Wayne County Schools Career Center. In our program, we deal with a lot of engineering concepts. We do theoretical data, we do background data, we do a lot of labs pertaining to the data. We pretty much cover most of the different engineering concepts, just not very deep in some cases and very deep in others with material processing and CAD and so forth. We utilize 3 different labs in the processes and also a lot of laptop and software work. For any further information and interest, feel free to send me an email at bpeters@wcscc.org. Look forward to having you. Okay, does that make sense? So, what was your AMA? 100%. 100%. Okay. So 1.1.2 have 1 through 9 done, and we just did 1, 2, and 3. So we just did a third of them for you. Okay. So you understand how to do your annotations, your documentation for, all right. Efficiency, because that's what they want. Your actual mechanical advantage is 0.98. What would your efficiency be? Here is our lever component right here. Here is our fulcrum. Okay, everybody see that okay? We're using Logger Pro on our computers, and we're using the vernier force gauges, and they plug into the USB here. They have an interlink, okay, that this plugs into the USB, then our force gauges plug into this, and this can be set anywhere between 10 and 50 newtons, or it can also work in pounds. All right, this is our weight. So we need to weigh this. We can do that really easy by just putting it on our force gauge. Okay, so we're going to hang it here on our force gauge, and we're going to see what that says. And that says it's dancing around a little bit, let's call it 0.72.